The prosecution and defense presenting completely different arguments in front of a judge, not a jury this morning. With the situation happened back in June, as you mentioned, that resulted in Kelsey Fitzsimmons being shot by a fellow police officer.
Calling the criminal matter of Commonwealth versus Kelsey Fitzsimmons.
North Andover police officer Kelsey Fitzsimmons has pleaded not guilty to a charge of assault with a dangerous weapon. Investigators say Fitzsimmons pointed a gun at a fellow officer who was among a group of 3 officers who went to Fitzsimmons' home back in June to serve a restraining order. But in opening arguments today, Fitzsimmons' defense attorney said the defendant didn't point the gun at the fellow officer. She was pointing the gun at herself.
The defendant raised her gun, leveled it at Pat Noonan's face, and pulled the trigger. There are 2 reasons that Pat Noonan is alive today. The first being that Ms. Fitzsimmons' gun, while it had a full magazine, it did not have a round in the chamber. The second reason is that Pat Noonan, based on his years and decades of training and experience, reacted in a calm, professional way.
That's when the words, Kelsey, no, are uttered. No law enforcement officer, Judge, the evidence will show, in his right mind would bargain with someone who has their hand on the trigger and the muzzle in your face. The evidence here, Judge, will show that he was trying to tell her not to kill herself.
Now, the prosecution's first witness was Sean Daly, a lieutenant with the North Andover Police Department, who is one of the 3 officers who served Kelsey Fitzsimmons that restraining order. The restraining order was filed by the father of Fitzsimmons' child, who told police she was a danger to both him and their newborn. Fitzsimmons' attorney said she previously was suffering from postpartum depression. At the time of the shooting, Fitzsimmons had been cleared to return to work. Now, the judge in this case said he's hopeful the trial will conclude at the end of this week. Reporting live in Lawrence this afternoon, Matt Reed, WCVB News Center 5.